Fed liquidity move could send Bitcoin sharply higher. Analysts say. Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, Ethereum, Federal Reserve. London Crypto Club expects a dovish surprise, with rate cuts and balance sheet expansion acting as major catalysts. Crypto journalist Amin Ayan. Crypto journalist Amin Ayan. About author. Amin Ayan is a crypto journalist with over 4 years of experience in the industry. He has contributed to leading publications such as Cryptonews, Investing.com, 99 Bitcoins, and 24/7 Wall Street. He has also written, Billionaire Michael Saylor adds 10,624 BTC in latest purchase. Is the bull market back? Fed liquidity move could send Bitcoin sharply higher. Analysts say. British Columbia seizes $1 million in cash and gold linked to QuadrigaCX co-founder. Bitcoin tests key Fibonacci support as analysts warn of drop to $76,000. Vitalik Buterin proposes Onchain gas futures market for predictable fees. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 2 hours ago. Bitcoin's climb above $92,000 has stirred fresh optimism among market watchers who now believe this week's Federal Reserve meeting could set off a far bigger rally. Key takeaways. Analysts say a Fed-driven liquidity boost could send Bitcoin sharply higher after breaking above $92,000. London Crypto Club expects a dovish surprise, with rate cuts and balance sheet expansion acting as major catalysts. Markets widely anticipate a 25 BPS cut, with lower rates historically fueling stronger demand for risk assets like Bitcoin. Analysts at the London Crypto Club say a liquidity boost from the Fed on Wednesday may act as a powerful catalyst, potentially driving the world's largest cryptocurrency sharply higher. Fed poised for dovish surprise, as analysts warn liquidity wave is coming. In their latest note, David Brickell and Chris Mills argue that the central bank is poised to deliver a dovish surprise, forecasting that policymakers will inject liquidity through a creative bond-buying mechanism rather than explicit quantitative easing. We're moving into a continued rate-cutting cycle accompanied by balance sheet expansion as the Fed effectively turns on the money printers to monetize the deficit. They wrote, that's a powerful, structural tide to be swimming against in the new year. The outlook comes at a tense moment for crypto traders. Bitcoin's recent break above $92,000 follows 2 months of turbulence that erased almost all of the year's gains, leaving investors eager for a clear macro signal that could reset market direction. The Federal Open Market Committee's decision dominates this week's macro calendar. Policymakers are expected almost universally to cut rates 25 BPS for a third time this year, said Ed Yardeni of Yardeni Research, echoing broad market expectations. The CME FedWatch tool shows an 86% probability of a quarter-point cut, while Prediction Market Polymarket places the odds even higher at 94%. Historically, lower interest rates have benefited risk assets like Bitcoin by reducing the appeal of bonds and increasing the flow of capital into higher-yielding or speculative markets. Bitcoin tests key Fibonacci support. As reported, Bitcoin is trading at a pivotal level that analysts say could determine whether the market holds its broader uptrend or slips back towards spring lows. Crypto trader Don Crypto Trades said the 0.382 Fibonacci retracement zone is the line bulls must defend, warning that a breakdown could send BTC back to April levels near $76,000. It's also pretty much the last major support before testing the April lows again, which would break this high time frame market structure, he said. Meanwhile, a key on-chain indicator known as liveliness is climbing again, even as Bitcoin's price action remains subdued. Analysts say the divergence suggests renewed underlying demand, with dormant coins moving at levels not seen in years, a sign that long-term holders may be re-entering the market. Last week, Bitfinex said the market is showing seller exhaustion, following a period of heavy deleveraging and panic-driven exits by short-term holders. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. Live Fed Payments Innovation Conference. Real-time updates as Federal Reserve discusses crypto, stablecoins, and AI with industry leaders' crypto market prospect. After the washout, the soil looks richer. XRP price prediction. Ripple CEO says Bitcoin will double by 2026. How high can XRP go? XRP price prediction. Important data shows whales just bought $1.3 billion in XRP buying spree starting. China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of XRP, Cardano, Pi coin by the end of 2025. Price analysis. Solana price prediction. Institutions pile in as staking hits 3.1 M SOL. Could SOL overtake Bitcoin in 2026? 2 days ago. By Harvey Hunter. Price analysis. Bitcoin price prediction. BlackRock's Larry Fink says sovereign wealth funds are quietly buying Bitcoin. Will their bid push BTC past $100,000? 3 days ago. By Anas Hassan. Price analysis. Bitcoin price prediction. Year-end $100,000 target alive. Here are the 3 drivers that matter. 2 days ago. By Anas Hassan. Best crypto to buy now in December 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 3 days ago. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 2 days ago. By Inesis Tavares. Best crypto presales to invest in December 2025. 2 hours ago. By Alan Draper. 12 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in December 2025. 6 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 10 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 6 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 4 hours ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 7 hours ago. By Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. 7 hours ago. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. 7 hours ago. By Ben Beto.